My brother does cars and fits parts and stuff, and I've watched him do that like growing up, and I thought it was quite cool, so I wanted to try. I heard about the job on Facebook. I saw a Facebook post and I was like, oh, that looks quite good. I enjoy being here, and then I kind of miss being here when I'm at college, but the work both they link in together, so what I'm learning there I'm also doing here, which is, I enjoy doing that. I like mixing the paint, I like putting the cars back together, because then when you see the final result, it's like, oh, I have literally done that, and that's quite cool. Paul's my mentor. He's just great. He knows everything, he's really nice. If I'm like, oh, I can't do it, he'll always come over and help. They would all bend over backwards to help me. If I'm like, oh, I need help, or I don't know what I'm doing, if they see that I need help, any of them would come over straight away. It's not like a man's or a woman's job. If you enjoy doing something, you find a job that you enjoy doing and that you find enjoyment in. Like, I'm not doing it for because it's different. I'm doing it because I enjoy it. If you don't have a job that you don't enjoy, then what's the point?